After a long, cold winter, everyone always looks forward to the heat of the summer. That is, until the heat seeps into your bedroom, making it difficult to fall asleep at night. Don't worry, Sig Cox is here to present you with tips on how to keep your bedroom cool in the summer. First, use blinds or curtains to block out the sun. The direct sunlight coming in through your windows is responsible for nearly a third of the heat in your house. Simply closing your blinds and curtains every day not only can cool down the room by up to 20 degrees, but can also reduce your energy bill by as much as 7%. Next, utilize the doors inside your home to direct the cool air. If there are rooms in your home that you don't use, keep the door closed to keep the cool air in the rooms that you actually spend time in. Another thing you want to do is choose sheets that will help you stay cool. Stay away from sheets made of thick materials such as flannel, and instead use ones made out of natural fabrics such as cotton. Buckwheat pillows are also really effective because they don't trap body heat in the pillow, allowing your head to stay cool while you sleep. Lastly, make use of fans as much as you can. During the summer, ensure that your ceiling fan is spinning in a counterclockwise direction to provide plenty of air movement throughout your space. Also, try placing a bowl of ice in front of a fan to get a refreshing breeze on a hot summer day. Thanks for watching. For more information or for any air conditioning services, visit AugustaAirConditioning.com today.